In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage product categories on Wix, a great platform for building your online store with ease. This process not only helps in organizing your products, but also enhances your customers' shopping experience by making it simpler for them to find what they're looking for. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Home section of your dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your website, including products and categories. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Catalog on the left-hand menu. This section is where you'll manage all your store's products, from listing new ones to organizing existing ones into categories. After entering the catalog section, you'll see another option called Categories. Click on this to enter the category management area. This is where the magic happens. You'll be creating categories here to better organize your products. Once you're in the category section, you'll see a button titled New Category. Give this a click to begin setting up a brand new category for your store. This is a crucial step in creating a structured, user-friendly shopfront. Now, let's name your category. Think about how your customers will search for products and try to use simple, straightforward terminology. Type your chosen name into the provided field. Keep in mind that a clear and concise category name helps customers easily navigate your store. With your category named, you'll have the option to upload an image. This image will visually represent the category on your site. It could be a product image or something relevant to the category. You can upload a new image or choose from existing ones in your media gallery. Once your category is set up, click on Add Products to start filling it with the relevant items. A list of your available products will appear, and you can select those you wish to add to your new category. This is where you get to actually link your products to the category you've just created, making shopping on your site more intuitive for users. With your products selected, click Add to officially add them to the category. It's a quick step, but an important one in linking products to categories within your store. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking on Save. This ensures that all your hard work in setting up the category and organizing your products is properly recorded. And that's it. You've successfully created a product category on Wix. Remember, categorizing your products is a strategic move to enhance your online store's performance and offer a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Keep your categories updated as your inventory grows or changes, ensuring everything stays relevant and easy to navigate. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!